Hello?
Good evening. Today we're going to make another video.
Yes.
What are we gonna make a video
Of, I don't know what.
I thought we could look at stuff with our microscopes. So remember when we went to Yosemite and we went and collected water from all the little ponds and pools?
Yes.
This is some of the stuff that we collected from a pond. And
Yes. And
yeah,
the pond water is very particular. We didn't want to hurt any animals.
that's right. We didn't want to hurt any animals. So we collected some pond water, and then I added a little bit of a fried potato to give them something to eat. And it looked pretty clear for a long time, and then it turned green. So we want to see what this green is.
Like.
Yeah.
And the pond water from Yosemite is like the pond water from Alaska. But Alaska, there's too many fish. We didn't want to hurt any from Alaska. There's so many fish living in those waters.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, let's take a little bit of this and put it on our slide. A little bit of green slime.
Okay.
All right, come on over here. Take a little last cover slip. We'll pop it on here. All right, let's come take a look. Let's see what we have here. Oh, hey, Coco, take a look.
What?
Come take a look.
Can I see?
Yeah, look in there. Push these eyepieces together. What do you see?
Wow!
What do you see?
All green.
Well, what do you see, though? Do you see stuff swimming around?
I see dots
Dots.
that are going around. Yeah, I do.
They're swimming around? All right, let's use our funny little camera here.
That helps us look.
That helps us look, and we'll stick it into the eyepiece. Remember when we got the adapter in the mail the other day? This is the adapter. So this is the camera for our telescope, but we can stick it into our microscope.
Let's see.
So let's see what it looks like.
All green to me.
All green to you.
Hello.
Hey, can you see those?
Yeah.
What do they look like?
They look like little fishies.
Little fishies. What are they doing?
Swimming.
Do you know what they're called?
Wow.
I think these are called Euglena.
Euglena? Oh, Euglena.
Yeah, have you heard of Euglena before?
No.
Oh.
Wait, water bears eat them.
Water bears eat Euglena? How do you know that?
I just watched Octonauts.
Octonauts? They had Euglena and water bears on Octonauts?
Of course they did. I know everything about the water.
You know everything about the water from watching Octonauts. Cool. Should we have names for our microscopes?
This could be, yeah.
What do you want to call them?
How about, wait, which microscope has those wiggly things in it?
This one right now has the wiggly things in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we should call that purple Cunista.
Purple Cunista. Okay. I'm going to write that down. That is a great name for that microscope. What's this one called?
Wait, what's inside of this one? Like
Um,
what things?
Nothing right now, but we were looking at them earlier, and that's the one where it was dark in the background and they were lit up in the front.
How about let's call it the color? How about black Asta?
Black Asta. Okay. Black Asta.
Still Asta.
Still Asta.
Because it's like silver and that's the
Okay.
animals in there is purple. Yeah. Still Asta.
Still Asta.
No, still Asta.
So what did you say that you knew ate Euglena?
Water bears.
Okay. We don't have any water bears, but I got from a buddy of mine at UCSF some stentor, which is a vicious predator, and it will eat Euglena. So we're gonna add the stentor into the Euglena and see.
That's a kind of water bear.
No, it's not a kind of water bear.
How do you know that?
I just know.
You're just a very smart person, or there's a different reason, or there's no reason.
There could be no reason at all. I just know some things.
You're just older than me?
I'm just older than you. So I'm going to add these stentor, if they're still alive, and see if they eat up all of our green Euglena.
Which one is the Euglena? The water or...
They're the green stuff in our...
Euglena is a kind of allergy?
No, it's a kind...
No, the algae.
Oh, algae. No, it's not really an algae. It's sort of like an algae, actually. It is a single cell...
Algae.
It's a single cell organism that is green, and it can do photosynthesis. It can take light and make energy. You want to see a picture of Euglena?
Yeah.
There's a picture of a Euglena. That's one end of it. Do you know this is something called a flagellum? That's what he uses to swim with. And do you know what this is?
No.
This is an eye spot. Did you know that he has an eye? And they can see light?
What color of light?
I don't know. That's a very good question. There's probably a very specific color that it likes to see. Maybe red, I'm guessing.
I'm guessing purple.
Purple?
Because
Okay.
they are purple.
Well, they're kind of green when you look at them.
So maybe they like to see green?
Maybe.
I meant like...
I think they like to absorb.
Maybe the color they are,
Yeah.
they like to see because they are that color. And they see it everywhere and they really like that color.
I'm going to put our sample from Yosemite, our Euglena from Yosemite, on the back on the windowsill. And now...
Where was it?
It was on the windowsill, over my desk.
Sail.
Windowsill.
There was sailboat.
No. All right, time to get in the bathtub.
Hello, I have to show you something very naked. Ta-da!
Very naked. That's not appropriate.